Hello everyone, this is Rachel live from Kalkine Studios and you're watching the IPO Corner show, a weekly show dedicated to the global IPO market performance. Today we're looking at initial public offerings expected to list on the US stock exchange this week. Now if you want to buy and sell US shares from Australia, you need to sign up with a stockbroker with access to Wall Street. The cheapest and easiest option is to join an online share trading platform that offers US listed stocks. The year 2021 saw a record number of IPOs globally, raising hundreds of billions of dollars. The US IPO market also witnessed significant traction this year, with several major companies going public, including South Korean e-commerce company Coupang, trading app Robinhood Markets, and cryptocurrency exchange platform Coinbase. The US IPO market is doing pretty well these days and catching a lot of attention from investors. Companies are racing to go public like never before, cashing in on bullish sentiment and record high stock prices. As many as 15 companies are slated to be listed on the US stock exchange this week, of which 13 are IPOs and the rest are special purpose acquisition companies. They are shell corporations listed on the stock exchange with the purpose of acquiring a private company, making it public without going through the traditional initial public offering process. It's created specifically to pool funds in order to finance a merger or acquisition opportunity within a set time frame. Now, the first IPO on the list is electric vehicle maker Rivian Automotive. They launched much awaited IPO this week and began public trading today. This unicorn's offer amount is $11.49 billion US dollars, with an enterprise value of as much as $65 billion. The company, which last month disclosed almost $1 billion in losses for the first half of this year, said it will sell 135 million shares at a price range of between $72 and $74 each. Wall Street's big IPO investors bet on Rivian to be the next big player in a sector dominated by Elon Musk's Tesla. The IPO could be one of the biggest in the past decade after Alibaba and Facebook. Moving on now, CI&T, a management software company, has filed paperwork with the Securities and Exchange Commission to become a public company. The Brazilian provider of outsourced IT development services aims to raise up to $100 million in its initial public offering. Backed by Advent International, the estimated initial public offering price range for the offering is around $17 and $19 per Class A common share. It intends to list its Class A common shares on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol CI&T. The company will use the IPO proceeds to carry out future strategic acquisitions, fund working capital, finance capital expenditures and investments, as well as for general corporate purposes. The company was founded in 2008. Clients use its platform to reimburse receipts from coffee shops, office supplies, ride shares, hotels and flight bookings. CI&T believes it's differentiated by its value-add strategy, design and software engineering services. Its blue-chip customers include Johnson & Johnson, AB InBev, Nestle, Google, Coca-Cola and Lifespan. Well, let's take a very small break here. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV.
Hi there, James Preston for Kalkine TV. Are you into gaming and virtual reality? Does AI and the endless possibilities it entails capture your interest? Or are you constantly trawling through the web to try and discover the latest updates and innovations in the tech space? Well, let us do the work for you. From the latest product launches to shocking affairs on the World Wide Web, exclusive interviews and information about the top companies like Apple and Google to brand new tech startups vying for your attention. Kalkine's Tech Beat has the latest in what matters in the world of technology. Join me every single Thursday on the Tech Beat, exclusive to Kalkine TV.
And welcome back. We're discussing global IPO listings. Now, Weave Communications is another software company that's slated to start trading tomorrow. The communications and engagement software company is looking to raise up to $140 million. The company said it's offering 5 million shares in the IPO, which is expected to price between $25 and $28 a share. The stock is expected to list on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol WEAV. Goldman Sachs, Bank of America Securities and the Citigroup are the lead underwriters. Founded in 2008, it operates a customer communication platform developed for service-based businesses. The company has raised approximately $160 million in venture capital funding from investors, including Tiger Global Management, Lead Edge Capital, Bessemer Venture Partners, Catalyst Investors, Crosslink Capital and others. Next, we're looking at Expensify, an expense management software company which is slated to list its shares on the US exchange today. The company will sell 9.73 million shares at $25 to $27 each, up from the $23 to $25 price range it set last week. It will trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker EXFY. At $27 a share, Expensify's valuation is $2.18 billion. JP Morgan, Citigroup and Bank of America Securities are the lead underwriters on the deal. Founded in 2008, Expensify makes software that helps small and large businesses track their expenses. Users snap a photo of their receipt and Expensify's app captures the details in an expense report. The Portland, Oregon company says it's processed and automated 1.1 billion expense transactions on its platform since its founding. Well, that's all for now in the IPO Corner show. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV for more trending updates. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.